Hello and welcome to Gardening with Soul in the land of El Sol, and I'm here today to talk to you about replacement trees. It's a concept that's not real popular, but if you got an acre of land and you want a particular tree, sometimes you plant a replacement tree, and over time you take down the other tree that you're replacing. So here's my replacement tree, this beautiful mesquite. And unfortunately, trees like to share space. They're very actually polite, and I don't know if you can see looking up, they don't like to share the sky. So they will give each other space and not fill in. So this Palo Verde, unfortunately, it's a blue Palo Verde, it's kind of thorny. It's going to lose some of its branches to give a little more sky space to Mr. Mesquite Tree here, who grows mesquite beans that we get to eat. So that's what's happening today in the land of El Sol.